Sairam children, how are you all? Hope you all are safe at your home and you all are doing well. Children, as you all know that our SA1 is going to start soon and you must have watched in that video that you got on WhatsApp that marks distribution this time will be 40 and 20. Total of 60 marks, 40, 20 distribution will be there. 40 marks will be for the MCQ and 20 marks will be the internal assessment. Now in internal assessment, different activities are there for different subjects, and in maths you have to perform an activity and tables will be there. Okay, so what activity you have to perform? You have to make your timetable. Yes, as you all are sitting at your home, you all are at your home, you all are safe at your home, so you have to tell me what you all are doing at your home. You are studying or not, you are sleeping or not, you are playing or not. Yes, all the things I want to know. So you will perform your activity like this only, as we have studied in the chapter Parts and Whole. We studied about Arun's timetable, as how much are his sleeping, his studying time, his playing time, and he presented it through this timetable as it is done here. Okay, in the similar way we will show or we will present timetable. What you will do, it will be my timetable, as it is yours timetable, so you will write my timetable, and in that you will write like this. Sleeping hours, you will write your sleeping hours. What's your sleeping hours, you will write here, as I have written 8 hours because I sleep for 8 hours. So you write how many hours you sleep and that then convert that into fraction. Now we will write 8 by 24. Now why 24? Because in a day how many hours are there? 24 hours are there, so we have written 8 by 24. Okay, now in the similar way, other activities that you do, if you study or not? Yes, you study. Now studying, how many hours you give for your studies? 6 hours. I think they are more, na? No, they are not more. You should give at least 6 hours a day to your studies. Okay, so studies you have written 6 hours, then convert that into fractions. So it will be 6 by 24. Now when you will cut that, when you will reduce that to lowest form, it will be 6 by 24. Okay, now 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24, 1 by 4 hours of a day. Now eating 2 hours, not a one time eating for 2 hours, whole day eating, breakfast, lunch, dinner, it includes 2 hours. Don't think that for 2 hours only you are just eating. For the whole day it is 2 hours. Okay, so you can write your own time. It is for me only, it is my timing. You can see what I do. Now eating, it is there 2 by 24, it will be 1 by 12 a day. Now for playing 3 hours. Now for what time you play? 4 hours, then write 4. If you play for 6 hours, then write 6. As you do, you write your activities here like this, then convert that into fraction. Now other activities convert, maybe you, if you are helping your parents, if you are doing your extra work like gardening you are doing, if you are sweeping house, you are, whatever activities you do, you can write it here. If you are singing, if you are dancing, that you can also write. Okay, so other activities can be anything, so you can write that also. Activities like dancing, singing, you can write. Okay, so don't think that we can't write it, you can write that also. Apart from these activities, you can write your own activities also. Okay, so you will do it like this, and after that what you will do, you will represent that in a circle. How you will represent that in a circle? For that, what you have to do, you have to draw a circle and divide that circle into 24 equal parts. Why 24? Because one day is equals to 24 hours, means in one day 24 hours are there, so you will divide that into 24 equal parts. So how you will do that? First of all, you will draw a circle of radius x 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter will be enough. Don't make smaller than that. You can make larger than that, but don't make smaller than that. Okay, so you will draw a circle of radius 8 centimeter like this and divide that into 4 equal parts, as I have done here. You can see, as I had done, divided that into 4 equal parts, 1 2 3 4. So you will divide this into 4 equal parts. Okay, after that, what you will do, you will take your protector, put that in the center, as I have done here. You can see, you will put that into the, in the center you will put the protector. Then from here you can see the baseline should meet the center line of this circle. Now after that, you have to take angles of 15 15 and each 15 degree gap you have to take. As you can see here, I have done 15 degree here, 15, then 30, 45. Mean table of 15 you have to take 45, then 60, then 75, then 90, then 105, 120, 135, like this, and then 150, 165. This side you will put dots like this only. Okay, now after this, what you will do, this, turn this protector and do the same way. This side you have to do the same way, 15, 30, 35, put dots, and your circle will look like this. Okay, all dotted. Then what you will do, you will join these dots to the end like this. Like this you will join, then only you will get the equal number of parts. Like this you will join, and your figure will look like this. I'll show you. Your figure will look like this. After that, after joining all the things, your figure will look like this. Okay, now this is what you have to do. And after that, you have to check. Now see, you have to assign some colors to each activity. As I have done, I have assigned red color to the sleeping activity, and I'm sleeping for how many hours? 8 hours I'm sleeping. So I'll mark my, in this circle I'll color 8 parts as red. I'll color 8 parts as red. Like, I'll choose a color from here. So I'll color 8 part as red. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These all parts I'll color red. This is pink. Here's red present here, not there. So like this we will color it red like this. Now after this, it is red. Now after this, just check the other color also. What's there? Now which color is assigned to the eating activity? Eating is green. So we will mark the, how many hours I'm eating? For 2 hours. So we will mark other color as green, and it will be 2 hours. 1 and 2 I'll color green. Then here will be red, green, all the colors will come. Means completely your circle will fill, because only you have to utilize 24 hours. You have to tell the all the activities you perform in 24 hours. This is what you have to do. Okay, now how you will send this? You will, on this work you will do on a you can do this on a A4 sheet. You will take 2 A4 sheet. On 1 A4 sheet you will draw this circle and divide like this only. Similar circle you will draw with 24 equal divisions and proper coloring of all the activities here. Okay, and on one page you will write this. Means you have to write this thing only, not these activities. You can write your own activities also if you want, or otherwise you can write these also, but not the similar hours. Your hours may differ. Okay, other activities you can write. So on one page you will write these things very clearly, very neatly. Okay, and on the other page you will write, you will draw this circle and color that properly with matching colors like this. Means red for sleeping, so eight boxes will be red. 6 hours for studying, so 6 boxes will be orange. Now eating for 2 hours, so 2 boxes will be like for eating. Okay, so this you all have to present. After that you have to click the pictures and send this to me in the PDF form. This is your activity 1. And after that what you have to do, you have to recite tables. Yes, you have to recite table and 12 to 15. You have to make a video, and in that you have to recite tables of 12 to 15 and send that to me. How you will you can't do shortcut like 12 24 36. No, not like this. You have to properly say 12 is a 12, 12 is a 24, 12 is 36, 12 like this. You have to say 12 till 15 table you have to recite at once. Okay, you will not look like this. 12 is a 12, 12 is a 24. Look at the camera only. Okay, like this you have to do, and you have to send as soon as possible when I'll tell you a date. I'll tell you because a date sheet will come, and according to that you have to send your videos and PDF file. Okay, hope you all understood this thing. Start preparing, start learning your tables, be prepared for the exams. Till then, keep watching videos, stay home and stay safe. Sai Ram.